Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our today's chapter is application of trigonometry. 15th question, exercise 9.1. A straight highway leads to foot of the tower. So here we have to draw a tower. Here ground, highway, that is, you can consider a man standing on the top of the tower observes a car. Okay, a man standing on the top, this is the top of the tower, observes a car. Okay, observes a car at the angle of depression of 30 degrees. Okay, angle of depression कितना है 30 degrees. So let it be at point A. So angle of depression, so here it is observing, this is the line of sight. So here two horizontal lines, this and this. Angle of depression we have to draw. So we know that angle of depression is between line of sight and horizontal line, but it should be below the horizontal line. तो horizontal के नीचे ये वाला होता है. अगर यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो that will be on horizontal, above the horizontal line. horizontal line के ऊपर हो जाएगा. So this is angle of depression, that is 30 degrees. So we know that alternate interior angles are equal. So this we can take 30 degrees. Now which is approaching to the foot of the tower with uniform speed. So speed is constant. So we will take, let the speed of car is constant. So we will take S. Okay, units meter per second. So this is S, we are taking as speed of car. Now so it took 6 seconds. 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found 60 degrees. So angle of depression change हो गया है 60 degrees, means थोड़ा और यहाँ पर टावर टुवर्ड्स द फुट ऑफ द टावर. सो यहाँ पर 60 डिग्री से एंगल हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जितना बड़ा एंगल होगा वो इतना करीब, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री से यहाँ पर 80 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर 70, ऐसा 60 फिर. बट दिस इज एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ below the horizontal line and this line of sight. This is 60 degrees. So we can take alternate interior angles are 60 degrees. This and this angle is equal 60 degrees. So now, so here we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot. So from this point we have to find time taken from here. Let it be some C, D. So we have to find the time taken to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So B से C तक. So this distance we have to find the time. Okay, now to find the time we are having one formula. Distance is equals to time into speed. So here first we have to find the distance, but we don't have any side. तो यहाँ पर कोई side भी नहीं मालूम है. तो what we will do, here you can see the ratio of trigonometric ratios में right angle triangle है. यहाँ पर two right angle triangles है. First है DBC and second one is what, DAC. तो two right angle triangles है. But here you can see this, they are sharing same what height of the tower, DC. So what we can do, here we can take H common. Okay, with the help of this we will find, but here speed is given. With the help of speed we will take this side. Okay, AC or BC. How we know distance? We know distance formula, time into speed. So to find time we need to find the distance first. So how we will find BC distance? We will find this first, from here till here time कितना लगा 6 seconds. तो distance is AB is equals to time 6 seconds into speed constant ली थी S. Then from here BC से कितना होगा, फिर टाइम तो नहीं है, so we will take time T into S. Okay, so here we are having AB value as 6S and BC value as TS. Okay, now what we will do, we will find first two triangles, triangle ACD and BCD. So here you can see this, I have drawn here by saying this figure two separate triangles to take. So here we are having, this is opposite side and this is adjacent 90 degrees के opposite होता है. adjacent to this angle 90 degrees के opposite होता है hypotenuse. Okay, so here we are finding by taking opposite and adjacent, that means tan theta you have to use. Tan theta, that is here 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees, opposite की value है h by, ये डिवाइड होता है AC डिवाइड होता है AB प्लस BC, tan 30 होता है 0 1/√3, 1/√3 इज इक्वल्स टू h बाई AB की वैल्यू है, AB की वैल्यू है, यू कैन सी AB वैल्यू इज 6s and BC वैल्यू इज TS. ओके, सो नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 6s प्लस BC इज इक्वल्स टू √3h. So we will take this equation as first. Now consider the second triangle, that is in triangle BCD. So here you can see tan 60 degrees equals to opposite is h by base is BC, that is TS. Tan 60 is what? 0 1/√3, 1√3 infinity. So 60 is this, √3 is equals to h by TS. So this TS we will send that side. So h की वैल्यू आ जाएगी TS equals to √3, TS √3 equals to h. So we will substitute this h value in this equation. Okay, from 1 we will take 6s plus BC is equals to √3h. So here in the place of h we will 6s BC is equals to √3h value was TS √3. Okay, h value since from 2. Okay, now 6s plus BC, √3 into this, √3 into √3 whole square, TS square root get cancel. Now 6s plus BC is equals to TS. So square root get cancel तो 3 TS हो जाता है. Here we know 6x plus is equals to 3TS minus BC. BC, we know that BC value is what? Since BC is equals to TS, so we will substitute this over here. 6s equals to 3TS minus TS. You will get 6s is equals to, you can take TS common, 3 minus 1, you will get 2. 6s is equals to 3s TS 2. So here what you will get? Here you can see 6s. Okay, here what I'll do? First here 2 is there, so I'll send this to that side. 6s is equals to 2 is equals to TS. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3s is equals to TS. Okay, this s you can set that side is equals to T, s by s gets cancelled, so T equals to 3. So time taken. So thus car reached from point B to the foot of the tower in 3 seconds.